No, in the mower. You gotta check to see if the mower's full. Does the mower need gas?
Check it.
Oh, we need gas.
Good.
Okay, go slow.
Oh.
Don't fill it. Good job, pouring.
Now we go.
Now ready
Now
to
it's
go?
ready to go.
How do I need oil in it?
Yeah, those are just push stops, baby. You don't have to turn it. Just
Just push it.
like a button.
Push like a button.
Nice. Yeah, now that one push like a button and then turn. Now turn it.
And turn.
Now turn it.
Now turn. There you go.
Other way.
Other way. Turn it the other way.
Yeah, clockwise.
Top.
Cool.
Alright, you wanna
You
go?
ready to go?
Let's go in the backyard, bud. Oh wait, we gotta put the gas back.
Oh yeah, put the gas back, Kai. You gotta put the gas back, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put that.
What? No, gas goes over here.
That's over there.
Yeah, you can put it right there next to the other one. That's fine. That's where the mower gas goes.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
How about over there?
Oh, okay.
I need over there.
Okay, by the boots.
Do right there.
Oh,
That's
That's it. Ah,
good job, dude.
that's it.
All right, ready to go mow in the backyard?
how to do this.
Kai,
What's that?
careful.
Vacuums.
Yeah, those are vacuums. What are you trying to get?
And this. That one.
What's that for?
Oil.
Oh, oil?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How to put oil. That's it.
My goodness, that's a
Good.
full gallon.
That's a lot of oil.
How to open it.
You're doing pretty good navigating this garage, right?
See,
Oh my.
Goodness.
don't open it.
The oil?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish we could now. This would be really cute.
You could put it in the middle there.
Hey, about this one. I think the oil's in there now.
No, you could put it in this
And
one.
this one?
Yeah, put it in.
Oh, that's
this
a good
one.
idea, Mama. Look,
Yeah.
see that hole?
There you go. Put it in that one.
Yeah, put it in there. Okay? That's how we check for oil on this mower. Okay, there you go. No, it's like a button. Just pull it off. You don't have to turn it. There you go.
I'll do it.
Good job.
Now that's gonna be really heavy, Kai. So be careful. All right.
Good way to use two hands, though.
Yeah. Good.
Put over.
Give it a try. You gotta be very careful. Be very careful with it. Use two hands and pour very slowly. Let's see how.
I was going to do it in the back one.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Good job, Kai.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, look, he filled it.
Good job.
We doubled it. Now put right there.
Okay. You do what you do.
I will.
That's a lot of water, Kai. That's really heavy.
Oh, now we're going to put it in the front, too?
Yeah, put it in the front. Get it in there. Good job.
There, water. That other water.
You are something else, kid. You're a cool kid.
Good job, Kai.
Nice. Is it ready to go now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I put some more in it.
You're going to put more in it? Okay.
Are you sure? Look in it. Is there any oil in there?
Yeah.
Did you check it?
Did you check the engine?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah. Kai. Kai. What's that? Excellent.
Good pouring, bud.
Wow. Way to go, bud.
Wow, look at all that oil.
You know what? You practice. Daddy, he practices a lot. Look what.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You did. Very good. Yeah? Okay. If you say so.
Probably.
You need some more there, too.
Whoa, I think it's full.
Oh, I think it's full, bud.
Alright, you ready to mow? Should we go mow? Alright. Yeah, backyard, that's right.
I don't even know.
Mama, you want to come to the backyard?
Yes,